Excellent. Look at them carry the waves. So rich.
Wow, this is so cool.
You're going to do this on the way back?
Yeah, I think on the way back.
They're looking at the statue they made of me. Everybody's admiring the statue they made of me.
Why does the weak female still look manly?
What I meant by that is everything is natural.
Holy crap. It's foggy in there.
That's a volcanic vein. You can see part of the volcanic vein. And this is the rest of it, right? So you can see the volcanic vein.
Oh, wow.
This is a volcanic vein, the one that you're supposed to apply in your bodies. This is safe because the place that we take it from is boiling, it's over boiling. Fish, one more time, it's all natural. We have to use this very fancy tool designed by NASA to get the clay from the bottom. We're going to have some air that are going to be very hot in the crater, alright guys? So please be careful. Always when you come to see volcanic activity, I want you to know that you need to know that it's serious business, okay guys? People.
Girls, can you play with mud?
Only in Costa Rica we allow it. The red clay is a different exfoliation of the area. Oh, amigo. Guys, for the volcano right now, we're choosing our sacrifice for the volcano.
The person at the back.
So I'm going to go out and show you a few things that you have to do, okay?
Don't get too close.
Anybody wants a ring?
Walk right here and dump it.
Wow.
Oh my God. I got
Do
a feeling.
it, do it again.
Oh my God.
Do it again. Do it again.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Woo. Where are you guys going? I don't know how long I'll last in here. My pores are open. Enjoy your time in the sauna, ladies. Peekaboo, I see you. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Rob. Are you going to get muddy? Yeah, Rob's already muddy. I'm gonna push you in. I'm gonna push you in.
Seriously, I am not into cold.
Me neither.
Holy crap.
Wow, Leslie went all the way.
Your head's too big, honey.
Sorry, I can't shrink it.
Your head's too big.
Maybe. I've never heard any complaints before. I didn't even recognize you. I was like, who are those strangers? Oh my God. Rejuvenate, don't you? Wow, que belle. Que belle, on va envoyer ça à Antoine et Ariane. I don't know, you should ask. Is it stinky?
No, that's the it's just like
Hey, Costa Rica! Costa Rica!
Happy, clap along. This is nice and toasty now. It's nice and toasty. Toasty, well, semi-clean. Toasty. Warm. Everybody, let's cuddle. Let's all cuddle. Get in the cuddle. In the cuddle? In the cuddle.
The cuddle pile.
It's a cuddle pile. In a row here. Mom was holding on to a... let's just say her in the shower got friendly.
something like this.
Thank you. Gracias. Gracias. Woo! Best trip ever! Woo! Who wants to go back to a volcano? Who wants to go get full of mud? Who wants to ride a horse? Who wants to ride a cowboy? Yay! It was supposed to be who wants to ride a...
Sabanero!
Sabanero! Me.